Okay, for size, because it's really hard to figure out like what are the size of these bikes. I'm 5'3". This is my husband. He's 6'4". So this is what you look like on a bike. I'm 5'3". That's what I look like. And you are 6'4". Because I have guys, if they're 6'2" and up, I'm like the bike you're gonna look the most proportionate on is the Zone or the Ebikes Streetster. So yeah, that's that. Emmo DX. What's the size? I'm 5'3". Tippy toes on this one. And a 6'4" man. Still not bad.
Yeah, absolutely.
You adjust the handles. So that's that. Okay, size. This is a Cayman. I know these are going to be discontinued, but this is going to be similar to a Gemini, a Tau Gemini, or an Evoque e-tron. And this is, oops, sorry, kicked you. This is a very comfortable bike for my size at 5'3". Put your foot on the peg. It works, but proportionately, this is just what you would look like on the size of a bike. The Gandon. This is a taller seat, Emmo Gandon, and this is going to be the same as the Emmo Knight. This one's definitely taller. I mean, I can ride this because I'm a professional, but I'm not comfortable. This isn't a bike I would choose. This will fit you well.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Put your foot on the peg. You got long legs, that's for sure, but you just fit that one. Yeah. Okay, cool. So the size on the Ebikes Streetster. A little bit taller seat if you watch the other videos. I like this better than the Gandon. I could ride this, I don't mind that. I've got kind of my toes on the ground. But it is taller than the Zone because it's got the 17-inch rear wheel. Nice. And you don't sit, like people think you sit forward more, but you don't sit like a racer on Zones, Streetsters, Leos. You do sit quite a bit upright. The Emmo lineup no longer has the GT84, which is what I call the Cadillac. This is a 72-volt Zuni. This is your biggest scooter style e-bike, 6'4". You can move back in the seat if you wanted a little bit. That's probably too far. But this will be the size that fits you the absolute best if you're over 6 foot. This one right here. We used to do rentals back in the day, and this was this and the Hornet we had, and this fits everybody.
Yeah.
Well, it doesn't fit very short people though, because the seat is a little too high. Then we would say go for an Addo. So that fits you just fine. And here's what I look like on it. I fit fine. Some people really want to have flat feet, but I'm 5'3", and I fit fine, but it does have a little bit of a higher seat. Okay. Size comparison on the Emmo Monster. This is the 84-volt because it has the backrest, and I am 5'3". I think you've heard that a few times in this video now, and I love this bike. Handlebars can be adjustable. You can sit back more, but the seat is square, right? So when your seat is more narrow, your legs can go on the ground more. That goes wider, means your legs go wider, so don't touch the ground as much. So somebody who you think the seats, ooh, that's nice and low, but if you got short, chubby legs, just to say it quite frankly, this bike, you still will probably be on tippy toes. Yeah.
But you see it here?
Yeah.
You can look.
Yeah, but you only do that when you're turning, when you're not, like you lean when you turn. Now we don't have the knock because there's none in stock and we sold all of ours, but we've done a video on that one in comparison to this. But yeah, 6'5", sit back, not with another person on the back, but this fits you well as well.